Hello everyone, my name is Susan and I'm from Information System. Today I would like to present about my literature reviews that I use as a reference in my assignment for mobile-based programming. For mobile-based programming study program, I in assignment I have written the comparisons of Kotlin and Flutter. That is why I have read a lot of ebook and journal related with them. But I use 5 books for my reference to write the comparisons of Kotlin and Flutter. That is why today I will present my reference book and literature review summaries. So I will present about 5 books and summarize. So uh, let's start with the first book. Okay. Let me start with the first book, The Programming Flutter by Carmona. This book was published in 2021 by Programmatic Bookshelf. It also has an ISBN number, and this book teaches the reader how to build mobile application using Flutter. It explains Flutter architecture, which means how Flutter is built and how it works inside. The book also teaches about widgets, which are the main building block of a Flutter application. You can think that you put together to make the application sequence. This book also taught how to manage the application data and sequence update using different stage management method. In addition, it explains how Flutter can connect with native code and how application can communicate with backend service. So the contribution of this book is that it can give very practical and step-by-step instruction. It helps a new and experienced developer understand Flutter more easily, and it supports them uh, in building mobile application. And for the second book is Flutter in Action by Eric Whitmill and Whitmill. Actually, in this book is to read I need to pay. That is why I'm mm, I'm not read in this book in detail. I just have read it. I just have read about this book in book summary and I explore in YouTube channel. But I know this book in the book summary. This book is teach Flutter and it used in hand-on-hand and example-based style. It shows the reader real code example and guide, but I don't know that because I cannot read for this book. But I know that in this book, uh, the key feature is understanding the basic Flutter and develop the specific functionality for iOS and Android. And the audience for this book is for developer familiar with the base of programming web application and no experience with data or Flutter needed. So I think this book is very nice and I will pay for to read this, but now I just read in book summary. And for the talk book is Flutter vs native application development. Uh, the talk is this is not a book. This is a channel article published in 2022 from the International Journal of Advanced Computer Science and Application, or we can call IGESC, GCSE. Uh, this in this channel compare Flutter with native application development. Native applications are the applications built up specially for each platform, such as Android or iOS. The study looked at performance and memory usage and code simplicity and the development time. The results show the native app still have significantly better performance when doing heavy tasks, but for UI performance like animations and screen update, Flutter is almost as the same as native because it uses the fast returning engine. The study also found that Flutter helps developers save time because they can use uh, code base for both Android and iOS. This is more efficient than writing two separate applications. The contribution of this article is that it provides real performance data. It helps researchers and developers better understand and the weakness of Flutter compared with native development. So in this book, it's like that, and um, yes, body 4 is cross-platform development framework. In this book, source is the article published by IEEE. In this study, compares several cross-platform framework, including Flutter and React Native. The researcher measured different aspects such as application performance, startup time, memory usage, and developer experience. The results show the Flutter gives the best performance for creating smooth and consistent user interface. This is because Flutter has own returning engine and it does not rely on the platform native UI component. React Native also platform, but will be used in JavaScript branch and which can slow it down in some cases. So this article is useful and it helps developers understand how each framework performs in real situation. It also knows why Flutter is strong UI and design in cross-platform consistency. And the last source is uh, a thesis written by Riz. Maybe my pronunciation may be wrong. And in this thesis, the purpose of this thesis is to compare React Native, Kotlin, and Flutter. This is very useful for me. Kotlin is used for native Android development, while React Native and Flutter are cross-platform framework. The researcher built some application using each tool and measure things like performance, battery usage, and build time. Uh, the finding, the results show that Kotlin has the best performance because it is fully native. Flutter gives the best balance between performance and cross-platform support. Reality is flexible and easy to learn, but sometimes slower because of the JavaScript. The contribution of that thesis is that it provides a clear guide for choosing between native and cross-platform deployment. It helps the developer decide which technology fits their project the best. So, in conclusion, all five literature review gives useful knowledge for my learning process, and especially using Flutter and other frameworks. The book helps the reader learn Flutter from the basics to more advanced topics, and showing how to build modern application effectively. Overall, the literature reviews that Flutter is powerful and modern framework that give near native performance while reducing the development time. Uh, Flutter offers the best balance for many real-world applications. So this is the summarized for my uh, reference book that effectiveness for my assignments comparing with Kotlin and Flutter. Thank you for watching.